TikTok has just released another new way of monetizing your content and making more money on their platform. The name of this new monetization is called series. So now if you activate series, then you can be able to upload videos of up to 20 minutes, and on one series you can upload up to 80 videos of 20 minutes each. And now the bonus part I know you guys are expecting to hear on how to monetize that series. So now after activating your series and uploading your videos, you can then go ahead and set your price. So any of your followers who are interested to watch the content of that series, the videos you have there, so anyone who wants to have access to those videos will have to pay some few amount of dollars you set by yourself for anyone to have access to your series. So now buckle up your shoes and tighten your belt. Let me drive you to the process on how to activate this series and monetize it to make more money from TikTok platform, okay? So let's go there. So to check if you are eligible for series on TikTok and to also activate it is once you log on to your TikTok account, then tap on this three-stripe menu icon. Now tap on Creator Tools. Then scroll down and come down under Creator Next. You will see it here, series. So if you are eligible, then TikTok will send you an invitation to activate your series. So now let's say they've sent you the invitation as you have seen mine here. So you just go ahead and tap on it. For me, I have already gone through the process of setting it up, which takes about 1 or 2 clicks. Then you are done. You will be brought to this place. So once you are here, you will see it says to get started, go to tiktok.com/series on your desktop. So this means that the series can only be accessed through your computer. So now let's go over to our PC, be it desktop or laptop. So now go to any browser of your choice and go to tiktok.com/series. So you'll be prompted to log in with your details. So once you logged on, this will be your dashboard on TikTok series. So now to monetize your series and make money with it is first you have to create a series. So you need to add a title for your series. So as you can see here, I have added the title of my own series. And my title is HTML5 Crash Course for Beginners. Then after adding your title, come down a bit and add the description of your series. Then come down more and add the cover page. Then come down lastly and set your price. So you can click on this arrow and choose any price you want to set for your series, as you can see here. So now once you are done setting it, you click on next. So now it's time to upload your videos to your series. Remember I said earlier that you can upload up to 80 videos in one series. So now go ahead and click on upload and choose your videos. It can be up to 20 minutes of video. So that is it. You can go ahead and start promoting the link of your series in every of your TikTok videos. So if you want to check the sales you've made on your series or to manage your series, then you can scroll and come to this sidebar. So from here you can manage your series and see your sales reports, okay? So if this is helpful, like and share this video, drop your comments and follow me for more tips.